Tight belt. Open in wrench. Ring spanner. Allen wrench. Remove motor cover. Remove screws of motor cover. Remove cover. Remove water tank. Pull out the water tube. Press the blue cap and pull out the water tube. Remove the water tank screws for pieces. Two long ones in the front and two short ones at back. Remove the water tank. Check the belt. The belt should not be too loose or too tight. There should be some elasticity. Loosen the screw with a wrench. There are 4 screws to be loosened. Tighten the belt clockwise. Loosen the belt counterclockwise. 2 screws are constructed at the same time. Check the belt tightness. Tighten the 4 screws on the top. Thank you for watching.